This is Manthan from Scrapingdog.com, and in this short tutorial, I will show you how you can use Twitter Scraper API from Scrapingdog.com to scrape tweets from X.com. So this is the sample tweet which we are going to scrape for this video. Let's copy this URL and let's just paste it over here, and let's just hit try it button. It will take some time as Twitter scraping is done through JS rendering, and here's the data. So I got complete data like the quotes, likes, bookmarks, number of views, what is the tweet, the profile picture, the name, profile handle, when it was posted, and data like related to that tweet. So if you want to scrape x.com with a scraping dog API, then you can scale it without getting blocked. And I have also written an article on web scraping X with Python, and I'm going to attach the link for this to this tutorial in this video. So if you have any questions regarding any API from scrapingdog.com, then reach out to us at info@scrapingdog.com. Thank you very much.